So hello friends, welcome back to techpacks.com. So today we are going to develop a project, fire sensing and alarming system. So this is a very common project, you must have seen it many a times. So we have developed a plug and play kit for sensing the fire and to do the alarming. Let's see. So to demonstrate this first, let's have a fire first. So to do the fire I have taken a lighter. So now I will make the battery on, or you can say the power on for this particular circuit. So from the switch, from the control board, I have made the system on. Now I will do the fire. So here you can see the fire. So with fire, the system is going to give you the alarm. So the sensation of the fire is from a far away place. So you can see that if I do the fire, even from a distance of somewhere around 1 to 2 feet, the system is able to sense the fire, and an alarm and a visual signal in the form of an LED blink will be displayed. So this is what we have to develop today. Now let's see how to do all these things. So on the board you can see all the major components and modules are available. So let's do the construction part first of all. So this is our construction board, the base board. You must have seen this board in our other projects also. So first of all, we are going to mount all the necessary modules on this board. So this is our control board. So in control board we do have one point to connect the battery. So this is our sliding switch by which you can charge the battery as well as you can give the power. So corresponding indicator will blink. So along with that we do have a 3-pin connector over here. So on the other side the two output connectors are available. So the outputs can be taken from the two different sides with two different driver circuits. So 4 outputs can be connected. So this board is a dual amplification board. So at a single time you can connect 2 sensors. In our case we are going to connect one single sensor, and that sensor is a fire sensor. So here we are going to mount the development board. So there are 4 holes for mounting the development board. I have already mounted the bolts for this. Now on the bolts we have placed the PCB of the control board. Now we are going to screw all the nuts so that we can hold this development board, or you can say the control board. So this is a plug and play system. So in this case even a young kid of an age of around 5 to 6 years can easily develop a project on fire sensing and on certain other applications also. So this is the control board, the heart, or you can say the brain of the application. We have mounted this. Now you can see the sensor over there. So this is our input unit. So on sensor we do have a photodiode. So you can see the photodiode over here. This black color LED is our photodiode. Then along with this LED we do have this, not LED, photodiode, we do have certain other components. So we have our IC358, which is going to do the comparison operation. Along with the comparison it will amplify the signal as well. So we have a connector, and along with that we have a variable resistance also. With using the variable resistance or the potentiometer we can change the range or the distance from the fire source. So we can actually increase the sensitivity of the system. So to mount the fire sensor we again do have nuts and bolts. So now we are going to go for the output unit. In the output units we have taken the 2 things. One is you can say our audio alarm, and the another one is our visual alarm or the LED. So from the control board we will connect the output on the output board. So then this output can be taken on the 3 places. One on the buzzer. So buzzer's output can be disabled by removing the connector, so jumper. Similarly one on the LED, and LED output can also be removed by removing the corresponding jumper. So now I'm going to mount this output module. From the output module, other than visual and audio alarm, that is other than buzzer and LED, we can also take the outcome from the outer 3 pins. So here are the connectors. Now we are going to connect the input module with the driver. So input unit is our fire sensing system or fire sensor. Now I'm going to connect this 3-pin connector to the fire sensor, and that 3-pin connector will be given to the input of our control board. So the control board or the driver board will give us the output. So we have used one sensor, so the right side of the driver board is used. So now on the output side we have connected the connector to the output, and to connect a relay we have connected a relay in the board. So we have also connected the power circuit. If relay is not required, then we can only take the output from the 2 pins. So power as well as the output will be then further given to the output section there on the 3-pin connector. So now we will have our battery with us. So this battery will be connected on the central port where BATT as a symbol of battery is mentioned. So now the battery is connected. This whole system is going to get the power now. Now let's make it on. So when we will make it on, the system will begin to work. Now we will again do the fire and we'll check whether our system is working well or not. So from the lighter, now we are going to give the fire. So by fire, the system begin to work. Alarm as well as our LED is now blinking. Alarm or our buzzer is now giving us a beep sound. So this is all about this project. If you really want to develop this project yourself, or you want to buy this kit online, you can go to the link mentioned in the description and can buy it online. This project kit is the part of 5-in-1 plug and play science project kit. So you can order the kit online and can make 5 different projects from a single kit. So this is going to be an innovative experience for you all. So thanks for watching our video and stay tuned with us.